Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to chemistry class. My dear student, in the last lecture we studied ionic bonds, how how atoms transfer electrons to form stable compounds like sodium chloride and calcium chloride. But today we will explore another very important bonding type, which is the covalent bond. The bond that makes life possible from the water we drink to the DNA inside our cell. So, covalent bond. My dear student, a covalent bond is formed when two atoms share one or more pairs of electrons. My dear student, thus sharing allow both atoms to complete their octet or doublet in case of hydrogen. My dear student, covalent bonding usually occurs between non-metals atom. My dear student, before we go into types, analogy of covalent bond is imagine two people, each having one chair but needing two to feel comfortable. They decide to share their chair, so both feel complete. That's exactly what atoms do when they form covalent bond. So now types of covalent bond. My dear student, we have three main types of covalent bond: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, and triple covalent bonds. Now, single covalent bond. My dear student, single covalent bond formed when one pair of electrons, two electrons, is shared between two atoms. Example, chlorine molecule, Cl2. Each chlorine atom has 7 electrons in its outer shell, so it needs one more to complete the octet. They share one electron, each forming a single bond. Chlorine plus chlorine forming Cl2. This is a structure of single covalent bond. One chlorine molecules have 7 electron in its outer shell, and the second one is also has 7 electron in its outer shell. When it share one electrons and forming a covalent bond, this is a single covalent bond ring. One pairs of electron two electrons are shared between the two atoms. And the second example is methane, CH4. Carbon has 4 valence electrons and needs 4 more. Hydrogen has 1 electrons and needs 1 more. Carbon share 1 electrons with each hydrogen atom, forming 4 single bonds. You see, now the second one is double covalent bond. My dear student, double covalent bond formed when two pairs of electrons, 4 electrons, are shared. Examples: the first one is oxygen molecule. Each oxygen atom has 6 valence electrons, needs 2 more, so they share 2 electrons each. You see, first oxygen atom has 6 electrons, and the second one also has 6 electrons, and share 2 electrons to complete their octet. And second example is carbon dioxide. Carbon has 4 valence electron, needs 4 more. Each oxygen atoms need 2 more. Carbon forms a double bond with each oxygen. So this is a double covalent bond. And the third one is triple covalent bond. My dear student, triple covalent bond formed when three pairs of electrons, means 6 electrons, are shared. Examples: nitrogen molecules. Until each nitrogen atom has 5 valence electrons, needs 3 more. They share 3 electrons each and form triple covalent bond. So, my dear student, this is all about today lectures. I hope you understand. My dear student, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends and comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.